Welcome to Coding with Kids. My name is Kelly, and today I'm going to teach you Python. So first, we already have a file, stringconvert.py. So first, we're going to type first value equals int. Input. Then quotes first number. Then we're gonna do second value. Second value equals int input second number. Please. Over here. Then sum equals first value plus second value. Then print sum colons plus string sum. So here we need a type of string because this is a string too. So let's save it with Control S and run it. PYS string .py. First number, Bob. If we do Bob, it will have an error because it is not a number. First number, 45. Second number, if we type not a number again, it will do an error too. So 89 plus 789 equals 878. That really worked. Now let's delete this. Then numeric value UE equals 7. Then print numeric value dot is numeric. Then save it with Control S and run it. True, because this is a number. Then let's do string value U equals Bob. B-O-B. Let's save it. And oopsies, I forgot something. Print print string value dot is numeric. Now we can save it and run it. True, false, because this is not a number. That actually worked, because this is Bob is actually not a number. So we print false. Then we need print Then 1, 2, 3 dot is alnum. So this function will do if it's false or true, if this is a number or a letter in the alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, the whole alphabet. Let's save it and run it. True, because 1, 2, 3 is a number. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, E. Save it. And let's see if this works. It's true because it is a number and the alphabet. Then print is ALPH. So this checks if it's a letter in the alphabet. E. Let's save it and run it. So, error. Oopsies. Oh yeah, I forgot. Should be brackets here. Brackets. Oh, save it. I always forget to save it. Don't know why. Is LPH A. Yep. Then now we can save it, and now we can run it. True, because this is in the alphabet. Now let's try 1. Does it work? Dun dun dun! It's false. It is not in the alphabet. Now let's do print is, this one is not, it is checking if it's a number. Yeah, if it's a number. So it checks, if it's not a number, it will print false. But if it is a number, it will print true. 1, 2, 3. Control S to save it, and now we can run it. It's true. But if we type, let's see, F, Control S, run it, false, because it's not a number. Then, print is title. So this will check if it's a title. So the first letter of the word, the first word in the in the sentence, it should be capitalized. So dot. Let's see. The is Control S, and we We saved it, and now let's run it. It's false. How about this? Control S. Run it. True, because this is capitalized. Now, to make it easier, we can just delete this because the next function will be just like this. Is upper. Is upper. So over here, it will check if it's all uppercase. So HE, duh, is all uppercase. So we'll print a true. But if I change the A into lowercase, it will respond a false. Oops. False, because this is not capitalized. The next one will be just like this, but lowercase. Lower. Oopsies. No double O's. W's. This has to be all lowercase, but if I save this and run it, it will print false because these two are not lowercase. Save it, and let's test it. False. But if we change these two into a lowercase, it will print a true. Next. First value equals input first number. Then if first value dot is numeric dot 2 equals false. Then print value dot is not a number. Then if you're a fast typer, because the second value is just like the first value, you can just copy and paste it. It's the fastest way. But first you need to exit. The exit function. Oopsies. Then we can copy and paste. Control V. So the first change into the second value equals second number. Oopsies, it's already there. Then if first value, it will equals into second value. Then print that. Then first value equals int, which is integer. first value. You can copy and paste this one too. Just change the first into second. We just need to do this into second. Do here. Let's change into second. Then sum equals first value plus second value. Then print sum plus string, oopsies, over here, string, oopsies, str, sum. We need to put this into string, but if we don't have the string, it's an integer, because this is a string too. Let's save it. And then run it. First number, B-O-B. Value is not a number. See, if it's not a number, it will stop. So let's do it again. First number, 56. Second number, 45. Sum, 101. Next one, it will be just like this one. So first, we just need to change. So now the last one is like this one. So we just need to delete this code here. First delete this, and this, then this, then this, then change over here. It will be first value is then over here, or oopsies, or second value that is numeric, then 2 equals, then false, then, and this will be the other code. So let's save it. So over here it will check if one of them is Bob or not a number, it will stop. So let's go. First number, Bob. Second number, it won't stop until we type the second number. Second number, 6. Value is not number because first number is not a Bob. It's not a number. It's Bob. So let's do it with 33. Bob. This will happen too. So let's do first number 78, second number 90. It equals 168. That worked. And thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.